Hello everybody. Welcome back. I have just completed another journal. This is a chunky little mini journal. It measures 6 by 5 and I've got an inch and a half spine on it. I used some digital papers and just kind of decorated the cover up. There's the spine. I stitched my signatures in so that you can see some strings and knots up under there a little bit. Okay, so let's go through it and see what I have done to this one. I've got so many items in here. It's very pretty and chunky. Okay, so I've added a pocket here and I put it up on that foam tape to give it a little dimension. So I've got a little room in that pocket because I wanted to put this in it and I wanted to have room to put a lot of goodies with it. So inside this little envelope, I just put a whole bunch of fun goodies and fun things that I thought the recipient might want to play with. I've got some journaling cards and just some music paper, some dragonflies. There's a couple of, I don't really know how many is in there. There's 2 or 3 little golden leaves and a little miniature clothespin. So they've got some items to play with in the journal. And I just did one of the little string closures. You know, I love these things. They're secure and they're just fun. And I put some beads on it. So I've got some lace on the front of that pocket and a beautiful layered, this is a 3-layered butterfly. It's got a layer of, what do you call it? Not tissue paper. It's a butterfly and a butterfly die cut, and then a real, like tracing paper. That's what I'm trying to say. And some crystals. This beautiful lady on the front here has 2 tags hiding behind her. So those are just in there. And you can see I did a lot of stitching on all the pages. I did stitching and stitched everything together. This is a little mini journal I made from some tea-dyed receipt papers. And it's in the little mason jar. I just turned it into a little journal, stitched it in there. Look how pretty that is. Love it. This is an altered paper clip. There's the back of the paper clip. So that's just sitting on that page. And it's just very shabby chic. I love the colors. Here I just framed a vintage lady, but I left it open under the bottom for a little tuck spot. And look what I put behind the tuck spot. It's the negative image from a die cut, and I've got sparkle tulle in the opening. So, and that just goes right up under there. All right, beautiful pages. My signatures are sewn in, and I have crystal dangles on all the ends of those strings. Here's a little dangly on the side here. It's got a little rhinestone on it. Here is just a little pocket, little tuck spot, and a beautiful tag. This is a belly band, and behind that belly band is just this beautiful dragonfly card. On top of the belly band is a lady die cut that I put on there, and I just inked the edges just lightly, real lightly. All right, on this page I've got a corner pocket, and an altered paper clip. Now this altered paper clip is a hidden paper clip. So there's the back, there's the front. So you can't even see the clip itself. And another beautiful dangle. Some gorgeous papers. This page is a little puffy because I made a puffy pocket because I wanted to put this lace in there. So that's just a little double-sided spool of lace, and it's held together with a little bulb pin. So that's one signature. On the second signature, a little corner pocket, some beautiful tags. This is another little altered paper clip, so it's just clipped on the top there. Here's a pocket with a tag. Lots of stitching and different fluffy, fun things. Fluffy, shabby. This is a little paper snippet pad that I made. It's just got a bunch of different kinds of papers in there, and a little house veneer, a little wooden veneer, and I'm just holding it on with a little paper clip, and I put some muslin at the top. Beautiful bird, more beautiful lace. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Love it. Now this little dangly right here, it actually has a letter on it, the letter L. So whoever purchases this, if you let me know what letter you want there, I can change that out. If I have it, I can change that out and put your letter there. Or you can just leave L. That's just something I grabbed. That's another altered paper clip. So see, it is a paper clip, but you don't see it. This is a little swing tab hidden journaling spot for secrets. So you can write your secrets in there. And I did a little side tuck here with that gorgeous, gorgeous, woo, love it, corner tuck. I fill this thing with the most beautiful tags. I was like, how can I leave them out? They're so beautiful. And some of the pages I just couldn't cover. They're too pretty. And then I've got a little dangly here. It's got some crystals and some other little spacer beads on it. Here is a pocket with another beautiful, look how that, it's a pin going through the lace. Isn't that cute? That goes there. And I did a tutorial on this. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it below. But this is a corset laced belly band. I was going to make doors that open, and I thought, well, I want to do a corset. So behind that is a miniature journal. So I've got another whole journal in here, and it is just full of all kinds of coffee dyed, tea dyed, graph paper, scrapbook paper, just all kinds of good fun stuff. And this little mini journal is made from a paper bag. So she just lives right there, and that holds that in. And then there's the back. All right, guys, if you're interested, you will find this in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.